Here I hope to demonstrate to you how we can measure the difference by counting on. 24 subtract 17. What is left over? What remains, or as we mathematicians say, what is the difference? Well, here's one way of doing it. First, on an open number line, write down 17. Then we'll find out where 24 lies in relation to it. First of all, bring it up to 17. Then we go 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So now we know where 24 is, right here. There you go. Now, straight away I can see that that also constitutes the difference, which will give us the answer to this question here. 24, if you take away 17 from it, you'll find out the difference, which is this amount right here. Right here. That's your difference. Now, I'm going to show you now how we can see that it relates to subtraction, because so far you've seen me count on this area here. Well, we're about to see how we can count on that area. First of all, we go 24, that's the length of it. Then we go 17. Then we go subtract the shape 17 from 24, and we're left over with this piece, which is the difference. As you can see here, that is the difference. How much is that? That's the leftover part. That's what remains, and it's also the same as the difference between 17 and 24. So now we simply have to measure it by counting it. So let's count it now. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And that gets us up to 24. I'll just move it down here so you can see. This one too. That it gets us up to 24. How many steps was it? Well, how many steps does it take from 17 to get to 20? Well, we know that's 3 and then 4 more. So 3 and 4 must make 7. So the difference here is 7. Can we check that? Sure we can. Let's move this down here, and you can see wherever you measure it, it's still 7. Still 7. And that is why when you subtract 17 from 24 to get 7, you can simply count up the difference. Starting at 17, count up to get to 20, knowing that's 3, and then count on another 4 to get to 24. So 3 and 4 makes up the 7. I hope this helps you.